Have clients you bill the same amount on a regular schedule? If you're manually creating the same invoice every month, you're working too hard. Today, we're setting up a recurring invoice in QuickBooks to automate your billing. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Let's break it down. A recurring invoice template allows QuickBooks to create and even send invoices automatically based on a schedule you set. The foundation: create the master template. Start by creating an invoice for your customer as you normally would, with all the correct line items, amounts, and terms. Once it's perfect, instead of saving and sending, look for the Make Recurring button. The automation: set the schedule. You'll be asked to choose a template name and a schedule: monthly, weekly, yearly, or a custom interval. You can also choose whether QuickBooks should automatically send it or just save it as a draft for you to review. And that leads to my crucial pro tip: use the Scheduled template type for control. For most situations, choose the Scheduled option. This creates the invoice automatically but saves it as a draft, giving you a chance to make any last-minute adjustments before it's finally sent out. It's the perfect balance of automation and control. So, just like that, you can ensure you never miss a billing cycle and get paid on time, every time. Automating repetitive tasks goes a long way in freeing you up for more important work. Now I'm curious, what's the best type of subscription or recurring service you pay for? Let me know in the comments. Let me know your thoughts down in the comments, and subscribe for more clear-cut guides like this one. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.